guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about all the steps that you have to take in order to become an architect in UK. Also, before we're gonna get into the video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell to receive notifications every time I'm posting something new. Okay, yeah, that was it about the blabbering, so now let's get started and get into the video. In order to become an architect in UK, you have to go to 3 different stages. Stage 1. You have to take an undergraduate course. This usually takes 3-4 years in UK, and this course has to be validated by RIBA. RIBA comes from Royal Institute of British Architects. Dun, dun. Upon completing your undergraduate degree, you will have to work for a year or 2 or maybe more in practice in order to gain more experience and to save some money, because after that you will have to go back to university to do your master's, which is gonna be 2 full years where you won't have a salary, so you probably want to save some money for that. So yeah, this is basically where I am at the moment. I did my undergraduate studies, year in practice, and now about to do my master's. So yeah, as I was saying before, stage 2, going back to university to do your master's. Again, this is gonna take around 2 years, no money, you're getting old, feeling bad, parents have to support you, yeah, I know, you can work part-time besides university, but from what I've heard from people who are studying now their masters, it's quite challenging and it's time-consuming and you have loads to do, so it's quite hard. Yeah, you can have a part-time job, but still you won't have so much money for the next 2 years. This is the reality. So yeah, after the postgraduate studies, you will have to work in practice for another 12 months under the supervision of an architect. Pam pam. You will have more responsibility, this is what they say at least. I don't know, because I haven't been there yet, but we shall see, we shall see. All the information that I'm telling you and I'm sharing with you, I took it from a website and it's called Student World Online. So yeah, because I haven't been through those stages yet, I had to inform myself as well. Oh yeah, so in case I forgot to mention, all this work experience has to be monitored on the PDR website. Yeah, basically you have to tell them everything that you've worked on in practice in order for your part 1 and part 2 to count. I haven't done this yet. I really should do it. But oh yeah. Stage 3. In order to qualify for stage 3, you have to have at least 24 months of work experience. This is 12 months after your undergraduate studies and 12 months after your postgraduate studies. In Britain, RIBA has their own part 3 qualification course, and it is called the Advanced Diploma in Professional Practice in Architecture, ADPPA. Basically, this is an online course that assesses your competence as an architect, and you have to take this before you can sign up for your final exam in order to become an architect in the UK. During the first 2 days, you will have to answer practice questions, and then the 3rd day is for compiling your whole application. You have to include a CV, self-education case study, the PDR sheets that you had to do for your work experience, and also the answers from the first 2 days, the practice problems. Once you pass this exam, you will be a qualified architect in the UK. Yoo-hoo! Finally, after 7 years, at least 7 years of work and studies, you can finally qualify as an architect. That was it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video and you found it useful as always. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button, click on the little bell to receive notifications every time I'm posting something new. If you have any videos ideas, please let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear from you and I love to talk to you. And yeah, that was it for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.